BISSELL CleanView Upright Vacuum with OnePass 9595A. The lightweight vacuum features OnePass technology with a powerful suction and innovative brush design. Bottom easy empty dirt tank and a washable foam filter make maintenance simple. The premium attachments provide faster and more effective cleaning so you can get on with your day. The features of BISSELL CleanView Upright Vacuum with OnePass 9595A. Fast and easy cleaning in a lightweight vacuum with powerful suction and innovative brush design that cleans more on the initial pass. Innovative brush design rotates down into carpet to clean more on the initial pass. Cyclonic System for long-lasting, powerful suction. TurboBrush tool for stairs, furniture, upholstery, and more. Easy empty dirt tank, multi-level filtration, and washable foam tank filter.